right, let me show you something. I'm gonna be grabbing some glue, and I like the Type Bond 3 for what I'm doing. I'm working with walnut, kind of makes a brown glue joint. Not that I need to hide my seams. Anyway, see that number? That's a code. So that first letter, that means made in America. 20 is 2020. 05 is May 15th. The last three numbers are just, you know, some sort of a batch number, right? So that's the one I want. Here's another one. Let's see. Right there's the Made in America 2020, June 25th. Let's try this guy. Again, Made in America 2020. This one was made in April. So you can kind of shuffle through available bottles and get the freshest bottle. It makes a difference. Sometimes it'll make months difference. So anyway, hope that helps. All right, a few more glue tips. So once I get the bottle home, I like writing the date on it, just easy reference rather than trying to remember when I got that. You know, these have quite a long shelf life, especially if you keep it cold or cool at least, and not in direct sunlight, of course. So anyway, what I really want to show you, I like filling up small bottles just like everyone else, and sometimes these lids will really get stuck. What you can do is take some paste wax and just dab a little on these threads, right? Of course, you don't want to get crazy with this. You don't want to mix your wax with your glue, but just a little bit of wax on these threads. That'll keep those threads from getting crammed with glue. Next time you go to pull your lid loose, it's going to come right off. So let's just say you have a stuck lid, right? Hard to get off, can't hardly get it off. I really don't have that problem anymore because I like using a little bit of wax on the threads. Let's just say you're stubborn and you don't want to put wax on your threads. Whatever, that's okay. But you don't want to run to wherever your big water pump pliers, adjustable pliers are to get that lid off. If you have a clamp handy, you can just put this on there. That pressure, you can work that around there. You can actually hear it cracking loose. And then that additional squeeze, that dude will pop right off there. You can see I've put wax on this, but you still get a little bit of glue up on the rim. That would have probably came off just by hand, but just wanted to show you that little trick. Now, these paint rollers are made exclusively for working with glue. I'll sometimes cut them into 3-inch sections to use on a 3-inch roller frame. And here I'm just getting the excess glue out of this after gluing up a project, right? So I don't have to put all that glue down my sink. Just squeegee most of it out. Then of course over at the sink, it's easy to rinse. I love this type of a roller because it is made of polyester and you can reuse them over and over. I've used this one probably 10 times. Yeah. So there you have it, some PVA glue tips for you. I hope you got some useful information out of this. Thanks a ton for watching.